So we're over at Aitoros in Norwalk, and I used to come here when I was a little girl, and we got all of our appliances here. Well, a lot has changed since they've been open in the last 70 years, so let's go see what they're doing today. Hey, Tony.
Hey, Julie, how are you? Great
So
to
good
see you. Oh my God.
Why don't you show us what's trending in kitchens right now? Brand names. So I get a lot of clients that are like, I want Wolf, I want Viking, and they'll give us a little bit of education on that.
Sub-Zero and Wolf is a tremendous, top of the line luxury brand. They Sub-Zero refrigerators, everyone knows them. Wolf cooking appliances. They also make Coke dishwashers. We sell a lot of other brands too. Viking, Monogram, La Cornue, GE Cafe, Gaggenau.
Give me a little background of Aitoro.
Well, we're a family business. We're now 4th generation.
Wow.
So it's really exciting. We've been in this location since 1963. Every year we generally remodel one kitchen. So we always try to show something really exciting and something new. Because if you're going to take the time to bring your client in here, I want it to be really exciting for you. We're sitting in this Sub-Zero Wolf kitchen right now. Everything is live here. You can test the burners, you can try the ovens, you can turn the dishwasher on, check out the refrigerators, ice makers, whatever you want.
One thing you're famous for is your demo nights and the nights that you feed people, people can try things out, which is unlike any other showroom I've ever experienced. Love it.
Yeah.
Love the design.
Thank you. So we have an artist in Colorado.
Wow.
This is glass panels. We give them dimensions. He makes the panels, so we can offer this to customers. This is a French stove called La Cornue. These are handmade in France. There's many different sizes, many different varieties, a lot of different colors.
So there's the process of just renovating a kitchen.
Yeah.
I mean, some people I'm sure come in just to buy an appliance.
They do.
Some people come in because they're renovating a kitchen.
Yep.
And some people are starting from scratch.
Correct.
And you have a staff that really works with everybody from whatever stage they are to give them the comfort and the confidence in making the decisions on what they're going to live with in their home.
Correct. I mean, you could come in today, my washer broke, I need a new washer tomorrow, so I can take care of that. Yeah. Or you have another client, you build a new house in Westport, you just bought a piece of property, you're gonna start, breaking ground. That's when you come in and make all the decisions, because in today's environment, you have to plan ahead like that.
So I know you have a lot of events here. You want to share some of your favorites?
Well, probably my favorite event is Make-A-Wish. So what we did this year, we granted 6 children wishes. They meet with the chefs a day or two before. They go over a menu and they discuss their culinary treats, whatever they want. I had Kristen Petroni making gnocchis. All the money they raise, they all keep. And we do this often.
Yeah.
And it's a great thing to do. Everyone needs a washer and dryer for their house, and we try to carry everything, all the brands, Electrolux, GE, LG, Samsung, all of them. We have smokers, Traegers. These are a lot of fun because people love the smoke or barbecue today.
I want to say how grateful I am on how you treat your clients, because I'm one of them. I mean, I've built a lot of houses.
Right.
And you don't always get not only the service and the skill, but the kindness and the just always available. It's just been such a pleasure to work with you for so many years.
You just want to be able to work with a company that'll help the problems go away.
Absolutely.
We make it smooth.
Yep.
That's what we do.
A solutionist.
Exactly. Yeah, it's good.
So whether you're renovating your kitchen, starting from scratch, or just need a new washer and dryer, I think you can see why Aitoro is our #1 choice. Come to the showroom and see for yourself.